welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on today's video I am going to be completing my 1 week budget check-in. This part of your budget is going to be very important to make sure that you are following the plan that you set forth for yourself when you completed your budget. At minimum, you should be checking in on your budget once per week. You can check on it every day if you like, and there are different methods on how you can do so. But today we are going to be looking at what we said would come out as far as our bills and our expenses, and then we're gonna just be checking in. So if that is something that you are here for, stay tuned. So as we are flipping over to October and our budget, if you are not subscribed to the channel, definitely please go ahead and subscribe. I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. And if that is something that you are here for, go ahead and subscribe and join the tribe. Also, leave a comment down below. How often do you check in on your budget? Do you check in daily by writing down your expenses on a expense tracker? Do you check your accounts daily? Do you log into your checking account and savings account and make sure that your money is still there? Do you go back to your physical budget and check? Leave that down in a comment. I really want to see how you guys are doing. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but somebody's boiling water, and give me a second, y'all. So I have my checking account up here, and then I also have some notes for myself as well. I'll also be checking in my wallet here to see kind of like where we are. I'm also using this cup. I don't know if you guys can see this as Hello Gorgeous. I'm going to the Mary J. Blige concert. I haven't been to a concert in like ages, so I'm super excited to be going there. I also have my calendar as well, so that I can just make sure that I don't have anything coming up that I need to, you know, save for or have forgotten. So that's everything that I have. I have my calculator here as well. Okay, so I remember the last time that we did our budget, I didn't have my little sticky notes to kind of keep me honest of where we are. So our HOA, we had due $1,478.50, and then I paid the $285, I think, and I paid $280. So now we have $928.50. That's what's left. So it's gonna continue to decrease. It's gonna do a little bit of fluctuating, just a little bit, because I build my HOA every month. So this was definitely encouraging to see. Also, let's see, past due bills. So we do have 2 things that's been paid off so far. So we still have HOA, solar, trash, and credit card, which actually I did pay that one. So that one's no longer past due, so we're excited about that. So we did cross that off. And then solar, we still have $88 due for solar. And what is this one? Oh, trash. So yeah, I just have little sticky notes here that kind of keep me honest. And so let's get started. So as far as tithes and mortgage, we're just gonna draw a line for that. HOA, it was actually $285. So I'm gonna put it in red because it was actually $285.95. It is $280, but they charge you a fee to make the payment, which is such a ripoff, but whatever. And then solar is 100 there, so we were right on budget for this one. And then internet cable, we were not on budget, kind of, but I'm gonna still put it in red. We paid $70.14, so I was 14 cents off. And then trash, $50 was paid there. So we didn't do too bad as it relates to the bills. Now, there was an extra bill that I did have to pay that I had forgotten about. So I'm gonna put that here in red. I'm just gonna add 2 little stars, which indicates that I didn't put it in the original budget. And that was my credit card bill. and that's the one that I just highlighted here. So I'm gonna just put late because it was late. It was due, I don't remember, but anyway, it was $100 that I hadn't budgeted for. So I'm just put $100. I'm gonna put 0 here because I didn't budget for it, and then I'm gonna put $100 here. So let me cross that off. Okay. And as far as, oh, another bill that came out was another credit card that I always forget about. I don't know why I always forget about this credit card, but it's my Apple credit card. And that one, it wasn't late, I just didn't put it in the budget, so I didn't budget for it. But it was $32 and $32. It was just $32. So this is another reason why it's important to check in, you know, every week, so you kind of get into a rhythm of, okay, don't forget about these two again to put it into the budget. And this is also another reason why I like having a buffer in my account. I don't like having it at 0, because as far as my savings accounts, I do not touch those accounts. I don't look at them. I don't even consider them as money that I have. So when I say I'm broke, I'm not really broke because I have money. It's just not, this is what I consider this is all I got. This is all I got. Now if an emergency like happens, I do have money in, you know, I have it's not like a full emergency fund, but you know, we're gonna be saving towards that as soon as we're done with this. But I just want to put that out there too, because if I talk about it later, I don't want you guys to be like, whoa, I thought you was broke. I mean, I am, because like I said, I don't touch that money. I don't, you know, that money is just there if needed. So this was everything. I'm not gonna close this out until the full paycheck is completed, which is next week. Then I'll close it out and calculate all the numbers, but this is where we are so far. Okay, so now we're gonna move down to let me put this up here. I don't know if you guys need to see this. Let me move it. So now we're gonna go to envelopes, which is basically our expenses. And so I'll just go in here. So I do have receipts that I need to scan. Remember, fetch rewards. Make sure that you guys are scanning for points so that you can get gift cards. I'll have all the information here. It's also in my description too. When you scan your first receipt and you use my code, you get 2,000 points. I get 2,000 points, or how many ever points is available. I think it's 2,000. And then yeah, it's early, y'all. I can't think. Anyway, it's in the description. Just go ahead and download it. So my hair envelope, I did use this envelope, so I'm gonna put it back in my sinking fund so it's empty. So I use all $50 of it. I haven't gone grocery shopping yet, so I did a little grocery shopping. So let's see what we have left in here. 1, 2, 20, 30, 5, 6, 7. So we got 237. I had just bought, I didn't buy no creamer. That's what I didn't buy, and that's what I needed to buy. But I bought coffee with no creamer. Oh, I'm so upset at myself. And then household, let's see, I don't think I've spent anything out of this. 20, 40, 50, nope. I will be going to Costco today and doing everything that I need to do. And then toiletries, I did spend toiletries. So we have $25 left, but I still need to get some stuff. So I just did a little bit of, I kind of like made a run to Target or whatnot. So that's just checking to see how much cash we have. I'm not going to complete this section until we are done. Now I can tell you with gasoline, I'm not sure if you remember, but we're trying to figure out how much I pay, how much I need for gas. And y'all, I was off. So oh, sorry, I'm stuttering. Prime reason why we need to check in. So this week I'm probably not gonna go very many places because, so the first time I went to the gas station, I spent $81.27 plus 71.10. So far we're at 152.37, and I only gave myself $200 to budget for gas, so that's not even a full tank, as you can see, left that I have. So yeah, gas is climbing out here in California. Yeah, I won't be driving. I don't plan to drive anywhere this week. All right, and then as far as like the sinking funds, I really don't need to budget anything here. I can definitely just put 5, 15, 25 or what have you, because this is what was actually taken out of the bank and put into the envelopes. But like I said, I'm not going to document this until after the pay period is over. But let me hop scotch back to envelopes, because I did have some other unbudgeted items, which was, I did go out to eat. I had forgot that I had a lunch date that has been planned for a long time, and I forgot to budget for that. So I guess I could just put eating out. And I couldn't cancel because I had already canceled 2 times before, and then some more other stuff. But anyway, so I spent $70.47 here. I went outside again. Okay, I went outside, y'all, and I spent $35.84. So, oh, I keep putting this in the wrong thing. Sorry, y'all. This is gonna be ugly. This should be here because I didn't budget for it, so this should be 0. Let me get it together. And then this is $35.84. All right, you guys, so these are the only 2 things. Oh, and then Amazon, I spent $1. I bought something from Amazon, and I have gift cards in Amazon, but I needed $1.93 to spend to get my item. So that, I mean, that wasn't too bad. So this is so far my weekly budget. It lets me know, or my weekly check-in rather, it lets me know where, you know, how much more I have to go for the rest of the week, or the rest of the pay period rather. It helps me, so it's a practice that I do. It's a part of my paycheck budget routine. So whatever your routine is, make sure you go back and check on it. There's a saying. What is the saying? You should inspect what you expect. That's the saying. I don't know who said it, but somebody said it, and it's true. And for some of you guys like me, I have to do this more than just this time. I look at my account every single day. Make sure, number one, it keeps me honest. It keeps me accountable to myself. And then also, if there could be fraud in your account and you won't even know until 3 weeks later because you don't look in your account. So anyway, I'm gonna keep rambling, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stop here. If you have any questions, like always, please do leave them in the comment section. I'm gonna start answering questions here on the video, so whatever comments you leave during the video, I'll pop your question up and then I will just answer it during the video. That way it'll help multiple people and not just one person, because a lot of the times we all have the same question. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Go be great. Peace out.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up.